Hi guys, and welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name is Natasha, and this little guy, his name is Ollie. Ollie is a 5-year-old squirrel monkey, and in today's video we are going to try some dragon fruit. He can see it, so we're going to let him get to it. Make sure you guys give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe if you are new. Let's get to it. There we go. What do you think of that? Do you like it? So I tried some and I do not like dragon fruit. It tastes so plain. Ollie seems to like it though. Yeah? Not too shabby, huh? Alright guys, so let's take a quick break and say thank you to today's sponsor. Today's video is sponsored by Yukon. As the cooler months are hitting, we're now having to run our pellet stove a lot more, which is right next to Ollie the monkey's enclosure. We've noticed that when we run the pellet stove, Ollie seems to sneeze a lot more from the dry air that the pellet stove is causing. Thankfully, Yukon has a solution for us. Their humidifier is made to quickly and easily humidify a large space. Can humidify up to 1,000 square feet. The humidifier can be filled from the top, so you don't have to bend over, and it can hold a large capacity, up to 3.4 gallons or 13 liters of water. It also provides the awesome feature of being a cool and a warm mist. When using the warm mist, you get faster humidification, and it releases the stuffiness in the air. And the cool mist can be used to combat the dry air moisture, the skin moisture, and it can help improve sleep. We also found that the Yukon humidifier is very quiet, and it doesn't bother Ollie or our dogs. It even has a small compartment where you can add in your own essential oils. Thank you to Yukon for sending this wonderful humidifier, and it will help improve the air quality of our space. We will leave a link down in the description box below where you can go and check out this awesome, amazing humidifier. All right, thank you to today's sponsor. What you thinking, Ollie? Is it yummy? Wow, he's going to try to shove the whole cube in. Mmm. Ollie, that's silly. Yeah? Do you guys see how big his teeth are now? Look at those teeth. Whoa. He's getting so big. That is not a napkin. Mustard. There's none under it. There's none under there. You're gonna dump it all on the floor. Pretty yummy. You hearing your daddy? Yeah. What a silly little monk. Alright guys, so I'm pretty sure that means that Ollie really likes dragon fruit. He ate quite a bit of it. Over here you can see his little squishing around pieces. We're just going to put it back into the bowl for him. Leave me a comment down below if you like dragon fruit, if you've tried it, if you haven't tried it, if you think you would like it. Curious how many people like dragon fruit, because I do not, so I don't know, but Ollie likes it, so. And he's my picky monk. Huh. All right, guys, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe if you are new.